today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export high quality videos here within Premiere Pro. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you've just finished editing your project and now you're ready to export, here's exactly what you're going to want to go ahead and do. The first thing I recommend doing is finding the beginning of your timeline and hitting the I button to set your in, and then finding the end of your video and hitting O to set your out section. You can adjust these as follows, but this is going to make sure that it doesn't export any extra footage that you might have in your video. After doing so, either hit Control M or go up to the top where it says File and then find Export and then hit Media as well. And then what you're going to want to do is choose the right format. The format that you're going to want to use is H.264. This is going to save your video as an MP4 file, which is the most widely used. For the preset, I recommend keeping it on Match Source - Adaptive High Bitrate for the best quality. In the section that says the output name, go ahead and set your name to whatever you would like. And then right below that in the blue text is going to be where this video gets saved. So go ahead and select that and choose whatever works best for you. I'm just going to keep it in my videos folder just like so. Now, if you want to go ahead and improve your video quality, under this section where it says video, go ahead and click on the drop down and find the basic video settings section here. Go ahead and select the option for this more tab and tick this box that says render at maximum depth. And then on top of that, use maximum render quality. These options give you the highest export quality possible. Once everything is set up though, simply go ahead and hit export at the bottom and your video is going to begin rendering and saving as a brand new video file. But that's it, your project is now exported in the very best quality. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more editing tips like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.